The second command that allows me to repeat a word within a Talon command is the plus operator. When I put a plus after a word, it means I am allowed to repeat this word one or more times when giving it as a command. I'm going to create a command that has a word with a plus in it. Talon wake. Focus notepad. Say I have to say yes. Plus. Space. Colon. Space. Inside quotes. Sentence, you can tell how excited I am by how many times I say yes. Go word left sixth. Select word right. Say how. Space. Go down. Go down. Go left. Period. Space. Go right. New line. Delete. Delete. Enter. Enter. Talon sleep. I have the command typed out. Now it's time to save it and test it. First, I'm going to save it. Talon wake. Control sun. Talon sleep. Now I'm going to test it. This command should recognize the phrase, I have to say yes. And also, I have to say yes, yes. And also, I have to say yes, 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 yes. All of those should be recognized. It should not recognize, I have to say. So, let's test this. Talon wake. I have to say. Talon sleep. It did not recognize I have to say, and that is the correct response. Talon wake. I have to say yes. I have to say yes, yes. I have to say yes, yes, yes. Talon sleep. And it recognized all of those. So this command works. Talon wake. Clear line. Talon wake. Clear line. Clear line. Clear line. Talon sleep.